the supporters not come tomorrow to support, like we saw last season, and last season they make a fantastic work. Selamat sore. Tomorrow gonna be a tough match. Barito is very strong this season. In this moment they are on the second position of the league. They have the second best offensive line. They have the second best defensive line. They have the most big difference between goals scored and goals conceded. So if tomorrow not come supporters to the stadium, unfortunately I must say that the favorite for tomorrow is going to be Barito, because as you know this season 4 games at home, we lose 2 and we won 2. I hope that tomorrow is Friday afternoon. I hope that the supporters can make a sacrifice and come to support our team. It's very important. As you know, we have many difficulties on this moment, and if the players not feel the supporters supporting them to bring the extra energy, going to be very difficult this season. 3 teams, not just Barito and PC Makassar, going to be also as a team. If you remember last match that we play against Sebelum away, in my opinion, was a team have big influence on the result, because the goal that we conceded before the fantastic shoot of PC Sleman player, there is a foul 5 meters front of the principal referee, because number 6 NAM player of Sleman Ayu make this to our player Ananda. Everybody saw. It's fantastic that this goal win the best goal. Everybody that see the goal see the fall. So I hope that something happen for this was it, because this was it make 5 games before here bad performance against Perceive. If player not make good performance, player out. If coach not make good performance, coach out. If was it make bad performance, continue. This is what I feel here on Liga Sato. So I hope that tomorrow, I don't know who is the referee and I don't care. I hope that the referee make good job. This is what I expect. The respect our players, our team, our staff, our supporters, because in this moment, as you know, we have many difficulties in our club, and at least respect us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ya, tentunya buat pertandingan besok kami akan fokus dengan pertandingan. Kami akan memberi yang terbaik buat tim, bekerja keras buat pertandingan besok, dan kami berharap buat para supporter dukungan dan support kalian dan doa kalian. Semoga akan bisa memberi hasil yang terbaik buat besok. Amin. Makasih.
Saya mau tanyakan terkait kan kalau dilihat dari pemain yang datang setidaknya ada 5 pemain yang absen, misalnya tidak ada juga Ike, Sayuri bersaudara tidak ada, mungkin apa alasan tidak ada yang ada opsinya pemain, dan apakah itu ada kaitannya dengan Rio juga, karena yang itu sempat singgung di medsos soal gaji yang dulu pakai pada pemain. Kemudian yang kedua soal sebenarnya Barito satu-satunya klub yang cetak gol di hampir semua pertandingan. Kemudian kalau kita lihat kan di belakang itu Duran dan yang C absen, itu untuk mengantisipasi permainan dari Barito kebobolan itu.
How I expect my team? I expect my team can play with 11 players tomorrow. The other questions you ask to the club. I am the coach. This is unfortunately, it's a club that I never imagined. Last season champion, and now we are not on half season and many problems. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to play with 11. So this is why my first statement was, if the supporters not come tomorrow to support, like we saw last season, and last season they make a fantastic work, but also we must have proud that the supporters that come here, sometimes they are not too much, but that the supporters that come they try to do the best that they can do, and I know that they make sacrifices. So I hope that tomorrow they come, because we already have many difficulties that you don't imagine, and maybe if another person's here in our positions, already not be here.
Lawan Barito kan besok main sore. PSM selalu kalah di kandang setiap main di sore hari. Contohnya kayak waktu lawan Dewa dan Persik. Pada saat itu cuaca sangat apakah cuaca panas di Parepare mempengaruhi performa tim PSM Makassar selama berlaga di Parepare musim ini?
Good question, and you can put also these two matches that we lose against Dewa and against Persik. Afternoon match, very hot, not attendance. Supporters not come very small supporters. But these small supporters, lowest supporters that come, fantastic. If you go and analyze football match against Dewa, we have many chances. We not score, they go there, tiga times, they score 2 goals. And we start winning. Against Persik, same history. We start winning, many opportunities to score the second and the third goal. We not score, second half, they come, in 3 minutes they score 2 goal. And we keep going to get chances. But this is the reality. Afternoon game, Parepare, hot, no supporters on the stadium, PSM lose. So this is why I'm on the first statement I say, if tomorrow supporters not come, the favorite for the game, sorry to say this guys, I want to win, is Barito.